So now this will be the brand new Lingyi mechanical keyboard, and this is the model. It's a completely new model as compared to the previous batch. So as you can see now, everything is in English, so everybody can use it. Okay, so it will be very clear cut as well. Now this will be the inside. Let's take it out. Okay, so there is this manual. Maybe we'll have a look later. Right. So let's have a look. Okay. Alright, so this is the K52. Okay, so for this model, there's only black in color, and also for the switches, it will also be just blue. There will be no red or black this time, okay? Now let's try to install this inside, and I will let you guys see how it looks like. Okay, so as compared to the old model, this will be RGB version. The old one is more like just lighting, where it's like red here, blue here, yellow or green. So it's pretty much fixed. So this will be a RGB one, and then let's have a look at the manuals to see what kind of function it has. Okay, so now the manual is also in English. Okay, alright, let's try FN. Okay. This is the breathing. Okay. I think this is more like the breathing. Alright, let's try the next one. Oh, okay. So this is pretty much a fixed color. Okay, so this is the one that will change color. Then the breathing. Okay. Now let's try. Okay, so this is the one that change the LED lights will come out when you type. Let's try the other one. Okay, so it's more like you type and then you will have the colors. Okay, so this is like the running lighting. Okay, how about one more? Okay, back to the old one. Now let's go to the new. Okay. So I guess this is called a shine wave. Let's try the vortex. Wow. Okay, so compared to the old models, right, I believe there's no, because I used to sell the old models as well, there's no such thing. So it is like a complete upgrade version. Okay, the last one will be raindrop. Right. Now let's go to the next one. This will be the horizontal wave, followed by pulse wave. Next will be hurricane. Following one, breathing random. Next will be raindrop. pretty much the same as the previous one. And then braiding gradient. Okay, last one, we have diagonal wave. Okay, followed by fixed color. Okay, and finally ripple. Alright, now the typing test. So since I have a glove on, it will be a bit slow. And then the phone is at my head level. Okay, so that is for the sound. So it's pretty much the sound. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much. Okay, I'll try one more without the glove on.